everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Crystal Cleans. I am back after a pretty long break. Charlotte had some time off school and Chris took some time off work, so we just wanted to spend as much time together as possible. So I kind of took a break. Did not take a break off of cleaning, but I did take a break off of filming. So today we're just going to get right back into the swing of things. I finally took down all the Christmas decorations, so we just have to clean up after that. So I need to vacuum and wipe down everything in the front room. And then I kind of want to just kind of rearrange some things. I just get the house put back together. I have some laundry I need to get caught up on. I need to do all of the normal things to make the beds, unload the dishwasher, and do all of those chores, and that's pretty much it. So this is just going to be kind of like an all-day clean with me. I'm just going to be doing all the things that need done in no particular order, just they need to get done, so we're just going to get through it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you get some cleaning motivation from this. Also, subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and share this video if you know somebody that needs some cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get some cleaning motivation from this, and let's get to it. So I usually always start in the girls' room just because Juliet still takes her morning naps. So in case I need to lay her down in here, I don't want to disturb her. So I try to get this room done first, and that way it's all clean and tidy if I need to lay her down for her nap in the room. And here she comes. She's already getting sleepy, so I'm going to hurry up and finish in here so that I can lay her down and she can take her nap. And then I usually have Charlotte's outfit ready for school, so I'll just hang that up on her dresser so that she knows where it's at in the morning, and then she can just get herself dressed. And now moving on to our room, we still have Christmas sheets on our bed because these are flannel sheets, and we just really love them. They're so cozy, and they're not super hot either like I thought flannel sheets would be. They're just really nice in the winter. So I'm gonna have to try to find some non-Christmas flannel sheets so that we can put those on for the rest of the winter because we really love them. So usually on my cleaning schedule, Mondays are for the master bedroom and bathroom, but because I just kind of need to do a little bit of everything, I'm going to dust and wipe down my dresser and stuff in here just because it needed done. And then next week I'll be going back to my regular cleaning schedule, and I will try to have that video up soon so that you can see just kind of what I do all week, because I usually have each room for a day. Like Monday is the master bedroom, Tuesday is the girls' room, Wednesday is Wyatt's room, and then I just kind of spend a little more time cleaning in there. Like I'll dust everything, try to organize or declutter something if it needs it, and yeah, so that's my regular cleaning schedule, which I'll be getting to next week. And then whenever I clean these big mirrors in my bedroom, I always have the kids help because they like when I do little pictures for them, and then it kind of helps me, but I usually have to go over it once they're done. But I know that they enjoy it, so I like to let them help when they can. And this is something I'm seriously embarrassed to show, but I've needed to clean this out for so long and I just keep adding to it. So I'm finally going to just clean it out and organize it. There's just a lot of like Charlotte's little drawings and stuff, and I don't know why I'm so sentimental with her little drawings, but I can't get rid of any of them. So there's like pictures and thank you cards and stuff in here. So I'm just gonna organize and go through everything and just try to get this thing in a better condition because it was seriously overwhelming. And then I'm just going to do a little rearranging in here. I want to put the rocking chair back where the Christmas tree was, and then I'm going to set up like a little area for the kids where the dining table was. We will be getting a new dining table, but until we do, I'm just going to set up a little area for them so it just kind of fills up that space so it's not just a giant empty space where the table was. And I just wanted to vacuum the couches in here because I just felt like there was glitter everywhere from Christmas. So I just wanted to clean them off really fast and then just vacuum the floor. Normally, I did use the shop vac when we first took the Christmas tree out because there were pine needles everywhere. And so I just want to go over it again with a regular vacuum and just get anything that I might have missed. And then I'm just using the Method Wood Cleaner in the almond scent, and then I'm just using my regular glass cleaner. And then I'm just wiping down the door with the Method antibacterial in the wildflower scent. And I usually wipe the outside too, but because it was raining, I didn't want to go outside. And moving on to the kitchen, I just need to unload the dishwasher and just kind of clear off the counters. I'm not going to do any really deep cleaning in here today. We got this air fryer for Christmas and we love it. We've been trying to use it for everything. Let me know in the comments if you have one and if you use it and what's your favorite thing to cook in it. And I'm still using the Mrs. Meyer's and the peppermint scent. I am just about out, so this is probably the last time I'll be using it, which I'm okay with. I'm ready to move on to a different scent. So let me know what your favorite scent is in the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just need to finish folding this laundry and I am done for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some cleaning motivation from this. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and go ahead and feel free to share this, and I will see you next time.